Yes. I have told you people that I'll be telling you 25th problem. So 24th was very simple small problem, this one. So that is the reason it's like only about asking the loan account. So that is the reason I have not given importance to be told in the class. Whereas this one is a death of the partner. So death of the partner is not a big deal, ma. Mm, so death of the partner is going to be same like a retirement only. Just one point will be extra. What is that one point? Is a death means usually whether it is of admission or a retirement, usually what happens at the end of the year or beginning of the year it is going to happen. So it never happens in between. But whereas death, we don't know when it is going to happen. So usually what happens, this is the play where the what we call incidents occurs somewhere in the mid of the year. So when it occurs in the mid of the year, how what the thing makes a difference is only regarding a profit. The rest all there will be no change at all. Only regarding a profit there will be a change. So how it is that I'll tell you. Now first foremost thing is I'm preparing, let me read the sum. So he said Mahesh, Naresh, Suresh were a partnership sharing profits equally. Suresh dies on 31st March 2005. The balance sheet of the firm as on 31st December 2004 stood as follows. So here what is saying, ma, Suresh dies on 31st March, whereas we close every year on 31st March. That means as soon as like we have closed the year of 2004, immediately for within a 3 months that person has expired. So the 3 months is a thing, that is a thing what we are going to do. Only one point will be there that we have to concentrate. Now here he gave cash, data, stock, investments, freehold, goodwill. Old goodwill is there. Credit as general reserve, capitals of Mahesh, Naresh, Suresh. Now he said they are sharing equally, so that's why I'm not going to concentrate on their capital. On the due date, date of death, freehold property valued at 58. So freehold was 40 ma, so it has increased. Investments are valued at 47. 47 means the investments were 5, now it is 47, so 300 reduced. Stock valued at 94. Stock value is 10, it has valued 94, that means 600 reduced. Now goodwill is to be valued 1 year's purchase of average profits of past 5 years and 1 year's purchase. So we'll multiply with 1. Suresh share of profits. So this is important. So what is saying? Suresh share of a profits of to the death of his death, to the date of his death, is to be calculated on the basis of average profits of preceding 3 years. Preceding is important. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is that. So these are total are about past 5 years. So when I go to the upwards we call previous, when I go downwards it is called preceding, ma. So this is the sum he is asking to prepare. Now here first, before every time how we are going to prepare, we are going to prepare evaluation account. So that is what I am doing here. So first foremost I said in the revaluation by freehold property has increased, so which is 18,000, because 40,000 was old value, 50,000 it is increasing, so that's why 18,000 will be the amount. Next, investments were decreasing, stock were decreasing. Investments 300 it was decreasing and stock was decreasing to the 600. So total 18,000 minus 900, it will be 17,100, ma. So equally he said no, so that's why Mahesh 57, Naresh 57 and Suresh also 57. So this is how my balance, what we call this one, revaluation has ended. Now over. Next, what is that we are going to prepare? We are going to prepare the here I am going to prepare, actually ma, what happens here, we are going to prepare deceased partner separately, then we go for continuation partners preparation separately. So first I am going to go for deceased partner, then I am going to come again here. So here first deceased partner, what is his name? Deceased partner is Suresh, no? So Suresh account will make separately, ma. Always remember, Suresh account will make separately. In the retirement also will not make separately, but whereas if it is of a death, we'll make it separately, because that person's one account will be extra. Next, by balance brought down. So how much is Suresh, ma? 20,000 is a balance. Then what we have got, profit, that we have to share it. So by revaluation profit is 57. Then we have this one, reserve, 6,000 it is there. So divided by 3 means how much it will be? So general reserve, it will be 2,000. Now this is done. Now goodwill I have to find out. Now what is said, goodwill is calculated on average of 5 years into 1. So when I calculate, it will be 11,500 plus 14,000 plus 9,000 plus 8,000 plus 10,000. So how much I got it, ma? I got it, the average, here working part I am doing it. So average profits I got is 52,500 divided by how many years I have done it? 5 years. So divided by 552, I got goodwill of 500. He said goodwill is to be calculated on average profits into multiplied with years of purchase. So here average profit into 1 year, because he said 1 year of purchase is to be divided now equally, because they are sharing equally, so when I divide with the 3, I'll get 3,500 each. So all the partners are getting how much? 3,500, 3,500, 3,500. That's it. So these fellows 3,500 I have to write here. So that is what I am doing here. By goodwill, that is 3,500. I have written here. Now this is completed. Now after completing this, I said this fellow is going to have one extra account, that is, we call it as by P&L suspense, because I am going for calculating profit before completion of the year. So how much is it? Preceding 3 years. So preceding 3 years profit is 9,000 plus 8,000 plus 10,000. So how much you got? 27,000 divided by, because 3 years I am doing, so divided by 3 if I do, I am getting 9,000 profit. But this 9,000 profit is for year, but I am going to give only for how many months? 3 months, because we started in the Jan, immediately in the March only he died. So how many months he served? He served only for 3 months. So that's why Suresh profit is equal to, for 31st March only, that is 9,000 into how many months he served? 3 months. So into 3 divided by 12 if I am doing, I am getting how much, ma? 2250. But these again Suresh ratio I have to divide it. So 2250, his ratio is how much? 1 by 3 only, na? So that's why divided by 3 if I do, I get how much, ma? 750. So these we are going to write here. So how much it will be now? Just add it. 20,000 plus 5,700 plus 2,000 plus 3,500 plus 750. So it will be how much now? Here we did not accept it to pay him any amount, so that's why we are going to write Suresh executive. Whoever it is concerned, whoever his nominee is, that we are going to pay him the balance amount ani ardham. Now again I am preparing now balance remaining partners. So balance brought down for that fellow is 30,000, next person's is 20,000. Here I am not considering any profit ratio because everything is equal. So when that fellow is going also, they will be sharing equally only, no? Now what all I have recorded, the same things I am going to record here. By balance tarvata next profit. So revaluation profit is how much? 5757 by general reserve 2000 by goodwill new is how much? 3500. Now this is done. Now here I said these people are remaining, so they will be not using this profit because they will wait till December and then they are going to go for sharing the profit. So that's why that profit will not come here in the remaining partners. That's okay. But though it does not come, here I said when there is a old goodwill. Now did he said the goodwill is to be maintained in the company? No, na. That means old goodwill I have to return off. Here I am even writing off the new goodwill also. Because it is our practice that when it is not said to be maintained, we will simply take off. So here, who is going to bear that one? It is going to be borne by the remaining partners. So old goodwill is 18900 ma. So 18900 if I divide by 2, it is 9450 here, 9450 here. He is not been taking any kind of a burden because he is no more. So how we are going to give him any burden? So the burden is to be borne only by these two parties. Next, here in the yesterday's sum I did not show you this one ma, but here I am telling you, even if it is like he has not mentioned, so I am writing off 10,500 by 2, the return of whatever it is, 10,500 new goodwill is there, that also I am writing it off, which is 50. Actually he did not mention to maintain it, so that is the reason I thought of not taking two things at the same time, but here I am showing. But if this one is an option, usually every time we write off the new goodwill also ma, like in the retirement how we used to write off, here also we have to write off. But yesterday I thought two goodwills, old and new, why I have to write off, but here I am writing off both the things. I want you people to remember that whether it is a retirement, whether it is a debt, we'll go with the simplest method. So you should not have a confusion, that you should not have too much of points to remember in your mind, that in the retirement this point is to be kept in a mind, that point is to be kept in a mind. No need of that. Simply in the retirement only one extra point, that is extra profit, how many months he has served, that profit only you are going to give him. Rest all the retirement problem only you are going to do in the death of the partner also. So that is the reason even in the retirement also we used to write off the new goodwill also in the remaining partners. So the same thing here also I am doing it ma. Now so if I am totaling it, 30,000 plus 5,700 plus 5,500, if I do 42 I am getting ma. Sorry, 41 to 100 I am getting it, minus 9450 and 5250 if I am doing, I get a balance of 26,500 here. So this total is 42,200. Next if I do for Naresh, it is 20,000 plus 5,755. So I am getting how much? 31,200 I am getting it, minus if I do 9450 and 5250, then it is 16,500 for this person. So this we are going to call to balance carried down. This is 31,200. And the last way of preparing is the goodwill. So first I have taken a capitals here. So how much? 26,500 plus 16,500. So it will be 43,000. Then the loan balance we have to write here. So that is Suresh executive. There we used to write in the retirement as a loan, but here he is not there. So that's why we will not write loan, but I will write as a executive. But it is also kind of a loan only. Now in the balance sheet, do I am having leftover with anything means 12,900, that is sundry creditors 12,900. So if I do this side total, I am getting 87,850 ma. Now come down to the assets. The first cash did not got affected, so that's why it will be same 5,000. Then debtors also we did not touch it, so that why it will be same 10,000. Next is stock it got reduced, so 9,400 now. Next investments also got reduced, so it is 4,700 now. Next freehold property, I said it is increasing to 58,000. And goodwill, I said as he did not said to maintain, so that's why I'm not taking a goodwill. Now balance is one PNL extra, one PNL suspense we have given. It's like a burden, Noma. So that how much we gave? 750. This one, this second effect I have to show, so here I'm showing it. So 5,000 plus 10, 9,400 plus 4,700 plus 58,000 plus 750. So its total is 87,850. So it got tallied, no? So this one you just take down. I'm sending a pic also. So this is about a retirement. Now Monday onwards we are going to start with the new chapter. Now enough of this one, death and retirement. Retirement is much important than the death. So that's why concentrate on a retirement much.